Ever wonder how money actually moves around the world? Let's break down what financial markets are and how they connect buyers and sellers. At the simplest level, a financial market is just a place where people buy and sell financial assets like stocks, bonds, and currencies. Trillions of dollars change hands every single day, keeping the global economy moving and providing liquidity for everyone involved. Markets rely on a network of people. Companies issue stock to grow, while investors provide the cash, all facilitated by regulated institutions. It is important to distinguish between the primary market, where new assets are born, and the secondary market, where we typically trade. Markets are categorized by the assets they trade. These range from short-term cash equivalents to long-term ownership in companies or debt instruments. Remember that markets are tools for long-term wealth building, not get-rich-quick schemes. Patience is often your greatest asset. Financial markets are the heartbeat of the economy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more simple breakdowns of complex money topics.